I'm sure you can already tell this place is gonna be full of glass and in the best way possible because the view here, immaculate, and the subdivision, peaceful. Stay tuned for the full house tour. This brand new house is not for sale, and as you can see from the road, you have a curving driveway leading up to your 4-vehicle carport, and it's on the right side of the property. And here in the middle portion, you have your pedestrian gate, and the moment you go through this barrier, you essentially have lots of layers to go to, so let's check them out. So just to get this out of the way, you have a lawn here on the left side. Again, this is very brand new, so hindi pa actually tapos lahat ng landscaping. But you have a lawn here and then access to your cistern as well as to your pool maintenance, which is right up there. And then here on the right side, as I mentioned earlier, you have your 4-vehicle carport. Actually, you can fit more nga eh. Depende na lang sa vehicles nyo though. But I'm gonna say comfortably 4 vehicles. And it is going to be protected for the most part, right? Because it is covered, but while still being open. On the rightmost side, you have a staircase leading up to your higher floor, and then over here you have your driver's quarters with their own toilet and bath. You have a storage room, and then you have your laundry area right here. So now let's head up the main entryway. You'll notice that from here, the staircase, it splits into a fork. So on the left side, you'll end up at the deck. Then on the right, the main door. So here on the second level, you can already tell that there's gonna be a view the higher we go up. But before we go in, I'm just gonna show you real quick. Here on the side, you have more staircases leading up to the various levels. So technically, from the carport, pwede na kayo umakyat all the way to the higher floors. Okay, so this is very unique. You have a solid wooden entrance here, but this part is fixed. Meron pang outlet eh. Ito na talaga yung pinto. And normally, hindi mo siya masyadong mapapansin if not for the fact that it's a little bit ajar. Then you have your digital door lock over here. And then once you enter, you essentially have this much space. So this is your living area, as well as your dining. Yun yung immediately na nakikita nyo, as well as your swimming pool with the jacuzzi, as well as an outdoor deck. And again, a landscaped area. You also have a full toilet and bath for easy access going in and out from the pool. And you have another lawn out there, which we'll show you in a bit. Behind the main door, you have storage, and you also have the main stairs. And then you would think na yun yung high ceiling, diba? But actually, this is the portion that has high ceiling. And check out that design. It is beautiful. You do have a lot of natural light coming in thanks to all of the windows. And basically, ang ganda ng view. Okay, now this is your kitchen. Technically, open space siya, diba? Pero hindi mo kita yung kitchen agad from the main entrance. So medyo nakatago siya ng konti. That doesn't mean that it's small though. This is a huge kitchen. You have not just a U-shaped counter actually. Basically, nag-wrap na yung counter nyo, no? All sides may counter. And then you have a bar on this side. This is where your stove is. Your sink is in front of the window. And then all of your built-ins, including your refrigerator, are right here. Lots of storage, obviously. And you have one of those, tawag dito, modular sockets that you can move around depending on your needs. And then over here, we have another nook for whatever it is you want to put here. And then we have a pantry right next to the kitchen. So, ang dami ng abang dito, ang dami ng outlets. So, it's up to you what you want to put here. There is already a laundry room downstairs. So, ito, pwede siyang mga iba-ibang appliances na lang. And then again, you can head out and down to the carport and or up to the higher floors. Across this one, we have bedroom number 1. So we have this much space, and this is the lawn that I was telling you about. So you have garden access from this bedroom, and it goes right out directly onto your swimming pools. And of course, you also have an ensuite toilet and bath right here. Okay, but that is it for this primary floor. Gusto ko lang silipin yung storage room before we head up. Okay, so yun yung mga breakers. Okay, that's really smart for maintenance. Actually, napansin ko yung bahay na to, puro parang maintenance in mind yung, hindi pa nakaayos yung lock. Puro easy maintenance yung iniisip nila. Okay, that being said, let's head up the second floor. But before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our videos, make sure you head on over to our YouTube. Oh, and by the way, this property is in Antipolo. So if you want to see more of our listings in this area, make sure you contact our number and go to our website, www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Okay, so now we are on the 3rd level. And the first thing that you will see from upon stepping onto the landing is access to the balcony at the front of the property. So as I mentioned earlier, we are in Antipolo, and you have this view. You have this neighborhood as your view, as well as the Metro Manila skyline over there. That's pretty rad. Now this balcony actually continues all the way to the other corner, but we'll get to that in a bit. So the rest of the hallway, you have storage already built in. So you can customize it to however you want. Currently, it's plain. And then you have a wider space here for example, seating like this one. But let's check out this bedroom first. This is your primary bedroom. So you do have a walk-through closet, left and right. And then at the end, which is distinguished by the flooring, so for the bedroom as well as the walk-through closet, you have wooden flooring. And then for the wet area, you have tiles. So you have his and her sinks on either side, and then left and right din yung glass doors. The right door leads to your enclosed toilet, and then the left door leads to your enclosed shower area. So I love that. It's shared. You can see each other, but you still have your own private space to do your business. Now this is the room proper itself. So seeing as all of the outlets are on this wall, your headboard goes here, and that corner is your view. Technically, you have 2 corner windows. Yung isang view, yung neighborhood mo lang na puro lush wilderness is what it looks like. And then dito, yung skyline. Super ganda. And we're not even at the highest floor yet. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so up here, again, you have seating, so you can admire your neighborhood, or you can also admire that ceiling design. That is beautiful. Then we have 3 other doors here. So this is bedroom number 3. I'm gonna count the master bedroom, or the primary bedroom. So you have this much space, and you have access to a sort of garden at the back. So sliding glass door yan. And then you have awning windows over here with your built-in screen already. So all of the windows are provided with that. And this also has an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and shower area. Across this one, you have bedroom number 4. So again, it's another huge bedroom with an ensuite toilet and bath, with sink, toilet, and shower area. Pero iba naman yung configuration. So dun yung headboard, ito yung view mo. And again, you have the sliding glass door that leads to the backyard, or like to your back garden. And this one is pretty much, it's not exclusive per se, pero yung dalawang bedroom lang may access dito na easily. Okay, so you have another garden here. And at the end of this garden is the staircase leading down. And then in the middle of the 2 bedrooms, we have a glass door that leads back to the hallway. So parang you have this semi-private back garden na essentially for this area of the level lang. Kasi may sarili naman balcony yung primary bedroom eh. Okay, let's head up one more floor. And now this is your top floor. Grabe, dito pa lang kita ko na yung view. And essentially this floor offers that same view across the entire area, especially this roof deck. We'll get there last. Okay, so this is high ceiling. It's your family area, essentially. So this could be an indoor-outdoor situation when you open the sliding glass doors leading out to the balcony or to the roof deck. And then you have several more areas that you can open up, like that balcony. So again, you'd be able to entertain lots of family and friends here. You have an easily accessible powder room with a sink and an automated toilet. And then right next to that, we have another bedroom. So just based off of the outlets, your headboard is probably going to go here. But actually kahit saan naman. So it's up to you where you want to face. But you have a set of windows here and you have a set of windows there. And then you have a Jack and Jill over here. So you have your sink on the left side or in this portion. Then you have your toilet and then your shower area on this portion. You also have 2 awning windows. And ito yung height for scale. So apart from the fact na sobrang taas nyo naman guys, wala nang makakakita sa inyo dito. But yeah, you have lots of windows there. And then this Jack and Jill leads to the other bedroom. Except this one has a view of the balcony. Which means when we go out this door, the door leading to the balcony is going to be right next to it. And the view of this balcony is going to be your garden as well as your swimming pool. And this one goes all the way to the back. So actually, if you look down, sobrang daming layers talaga ng bahay na to. Pero syempre, our favorite area for viewing is gonna be the roof deck. So we have 430 square meters of lot area and then around 800 square meters of floor area split between 4 stories. 6 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, 1 powder room over here at the top floor, a 4-vehicle carport, a swimming pool, a jacuzzi, lots of gardens, and lots of balconies, and that very special roof deck. At night, that is going to be the best area to entertain family and friends. Not that any other area isn't, because this whole house is basically made for entertaining family and friends. And again, this is in Antipolo. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a place like this, send this video to them. But if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,